focus is all messed up. Yeah. Well, I think I've screwed up the camera lens. No matter how much I spin it, it doesn't want to do what I want it to do. Spin, 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 spin. Yeah. Oh well. Maybe it'll fix itself. Oh my gosh. It's not doing anything. Hey, took it off and put it back on, and now it's working. So, anyways, what I was saying was, I'll do it with the better. So I was having some trouble with this lens earlier, but I took it off and put it back on and blew on it and kind of dusted it off a little bit, and now it seems to be focusing. So, really happy about that. My uncle and I are going to go to Fishing Bridge, and we're going to get some supplies, and then hopefully we're going to go on a little walk beside Yellowstone Lake. Also, I think we're going to cook out again tonight. That's been, Uncle Jerry and I are getting real good at cooking buffalo, so very excited.
This is a natural bridge path. We're not sure what's there, apparently a natural bridge. But we're gonna go take it and see if we can look at it.
Heck yeah, dude. Okay, wait just a minute, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, good.
People just turned up there. That must be the junction. It's right up there.
Oh, did they? There were people?
Yeah, there were people walking this way. And they turned what looked like into the woods. And I'm like, oh, that must be the junction. Which is halfway point.
Yeah.
So it's not a bad hike.
No. Not bad, no. What do you think about it, Gerald?
I think I didn't know what to expect. Very beautiful, very unique formation with a natural bridge going over the waterfall.
Now obviously the sun is behind it. I bet you this would be pretty if you came here in the morning. Well, that was a nice little hike, wasn't it, Jerry?
That was very, very lovely. Well, and it's not over, it's only halfway over because now we hike back.
Well, we hiked back, of course.
But
it's a nice hike. It's one of the less iconic, you know, destinations in Yellowstone, but that doesn't make it any less beautiful.
however, it was rewarding.
Very rewarding, that's right. It was pretty neat to get up there and see it, and especially not knowing what to expect because I'd never, you know, seen it before in any Yellowstone pictures. So
Yeah.
And when I dropped the lens yesterday, I'm afraid I may have jacked it up because it's not focusing right. I don't think it's focused right now. Can't really see that good, but yeah. I think Jerry's got a spare one though, so hopefully we'll get it worked out. Oh my gosh. It's not doing anything. All right. Uncle Jerry came in with the clutch with the new lens. The lens works now. This is off of his camera.
We just pulled the switcheroo.
So what I've done here, what I want to show everyone, is that, and what I want to show you too, Uncle Jerry, you'll get to be surprised with that along with everybody else.
All right.
We were having problems with the top coals not lighting as well. So I'm hoping with this, those shredded kind of wood looking things are called tumbleweeds. I just went and looked at the package. It's a fitting name. They kind of look like tumbleweeds.
And keep in mind, this is upright, so the flame's going to be going up this way.
That's correct. So we light it from under here, as you all have seen me do, I'm sure in previous vlogs. And hopefully this will support the top coals and also ignite the top coals so that we get more even.
The correct temperature coals.
The correct temperature coals. Heck yeah. Of course we got all kinds of people coming in. And don't have very much privacy. But it's alright. We're only here for one more night.
One more night, and hopefully we get to move to a little better campsite.
Yeah.
At least away from the entrance.
Yeah. So we have the grill cover here. Once you put it on top, lift it up like Uncle Jerry said, and like you all have seen. And now let's see how well this ignites. Got our trusty torch lighter.
It's probably the best camping utensil out there.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Alright, now, if you look up top here, you can see what's going on in there. The fire starter is at least going. Now we just wait and see how well it burns, and if my plan will work. Seems to be working pretty good. Alright, so now let's see how this worked out. And obviously the ones on the bottom are completely white, but the ones on the top look better than what they did.
They look better than they did the last few times we've done it, don't they?
Yeah, they do. So, I mean, it kind of worked.
It was a semi-success.
But look, there's a lot of
char.
There's a lot of char. Alright, sir.
You know what?
You go ahead and do it.
Alright, let's do 3 minutes, by the way.
Okay. And I put plenty of Pam on there.
See, it's partially frozen, so it didn't pack as well.
Yeah,